Hello and welcome to RM Rich. My name is Mercy. Please make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. So today I'm going to show you how to prepare breakfast using boiled potato and arrowroots. So I'm going to add black pepper into this boiled potato and arrowroots. If you have paprika, you can as well add. I realize that I ran out of paprika, that's why I'm not going to be using it right now. And then I mix them up. Make sure that you mix them up quite well. After that, I'm going to be frying them. So I pour some cooking oil into the frying pan. As you can see, my frying pan has been used quite well. So before pouring in the potatoes and the arrowroots, make sure that you test whether the cooking oil is hot enough. So after confirming that the cooking oil is hot enough, I poured in the potatoes together with the arrowroot, but very carefully lest I burn myself. So make sure that you do that very carefully because it's easy to burn yourself with the hot cooking oil. I fried them until they began to turn golden, and then I turned them on the other side to ensure that they are evenly fried. Ensure that all the sides begin to turn golden. Yeah. Once I ensure that they are evenly fried, they are now ready to be served. It's as simple as that. So I finally served my breakfast with black coffee. And let me tell you, you definitely want to try this. Umechomeka. Please, if there's something that you will never want to try, is to try swallowing a hot waru, my friend. Let me tell you, it's delicious. I've never tried it before. I have done it for the first time, and I'm telling you, I loved it. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of our contents. Bye bye.